Today, we're comparing two popular cordless vacuums. In the blue corner, we have the Dyson V8, which works well for pet owners. It's light, strong, and cleans both carpets and hard floors with ease. And on the red corner, we have Henry Quick, which feels sturdy and runs quietly. Its main selling point is the pod. It lets you empty the dust mess-free and skip filter cleaning. So let's break them down side by side so you can choose the best one for your home. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1. Cleaning performance. The Dyson V8 delivers a tested airflow of 11.64 kilopascals on max mode, making it a strong performer. This strong suction works better on medium to high pile carpets than on hard floors. The Henry Quick offers 11 kilopascals of suction in full power mode. Its thick pods lock in dust, pollen, and pet hair. However, it struggles slightly on thicker carpets or deep cleaning embedded dirt. The Dyson V8 picks up fine debris like sand well, but it sometimes pushes around larger bits like rice or cereal, especially on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its brush roll gives good surface agitation. This helps it clean high-pile carpets better, lifting most debris in a few passes. Pet hair pickup on low-pile carpets is excellent. The stiff bristles dig deep into the fibers and pull the hair out. The Henry Quick has strong enough suction to clean edges without always using the crevice tool. But it struggles with larger debris due to low clearance under the brush head. On thick carpets, the vacuum can be hard to push. But Henry Quick handles pet hair well on carpets, hard floors, and rugs. The Combi tool also helps remove hair from upholstery and bedding, though it may take a bit of extra effort. When it comes to cleaning efficiency, the Dyson V8 pulls slightly ahead. It performs better on hard floors, high-pile carpets, and with all types of debris. That said, if you're a pet owner, the Henry Quick has the edge, especially with its strong pet hair pickup and helpful tools. Round number 2. Ease of use. At 5.7 pounds, the Dyson V8 is light and easy to carry. The vacuum has a plastic build, a slim profile, and a swivel head, making it easy to use in tight spaces and around obstacles. It comes with several tools for cleaning furniture, stairs, and small areas. However, the lack of onboard storage makes it less convenient. A wall rack station keeps it upright when not in use. Its low profile helps, but it doesn't reach far under furniture without crouching. The cleaner head can snag on rug tassels, but it moves over small floor obstacles like electric cords with little trouble. Also, the trigger-style power switch may feel inconvenient for long cleaning sessions. You might have seen the latest Dyson models with an LCD screen and a laser to spot even the tiniest dust particles, but this one doesn't include those features. The Henry Quick weighs about 7 pounds. It's a bit heavier but feels well-balanced. The dust-free emptying system is a dream, especially if you're used to messy bagless vacuums. But you'll need to switch between carpet and hard floor modes manually on the brush head. The handle is ergonomic, and the push-button controls on top are easy to use. You can always extend the handle when needed. Also, the LEDs built into the head do light up your floor when it's dark, but they turn on and off with the brush. Battery-wise, the Henry Quick offers up to 60 minutes, while the Dyson V8 gives up to 40 minutes. The Dyson V8 produces about 72.7 decibels sound, audible, but not extreme. The Henry Quick is notably quieter at 66 decibels. The Dyson V8 excels in lightweight maneuverability, but the Henry Quick leads with longer battery life, easier maintenance, better ergonomics, and hygienic dust disposal. Round number 3. Ease of maintenance. The Dyson V8 is bagless, with a small dirt compartment that needs frequent emptying and can scatter debris when shaken. You should wash pre- and HEPA filters monthly. After washing, let the parts dry for 24 hours before reinstalling. The floor head and turbo brush need regular hair removal. The Henry Quick uses sealed dust pods, so you just remove and replace the pod without touching any debris. Cherry on the cake. The pods are made from up to 65% recycled material. This makes it great for allergy sufferers, though you do have to keep buying replacement pods. Henry Quick also comes with a wall dock. 4 LEDs show battery life, and a long LED lights up when the pod is full. But unlike Dyson V8, you can't just check to see if the bin needs emptying. The Henry Quick has a sturdy design, so you won't worry about parts cracking easily from knocks. Overall, the Henry Quick is easier to maintain with its sealed pods and no filters, while the Dyson V8 needs more upkeep with its filters. Round number 4. Customer support and warranty. Dyson offers a 2-year warranty on the V8. Dyson's customer service is not that great, with complaints of unhelpful troubleshooting and refusal to honor warranty claims. Henry Quick also comes with a 2-year warranty, but its customer support is praised for being fast, responsive, and genuinely helpful. So Henry Quick clearly has a better customer support reputation and a longer warranty. Final verdict. So what's the better vacuum? If you want strong suction, better performance on carpets, and don't mind a bit more dust when emptying, go with the Dyson V8. It's lighter and proven for pet owners or carpet-heavy homes. But if you value easy maintenance, quiet cleaning, longer battery life, and a sturdier build, the Henry Quick is the smarter choice. It's also better for people with allergies, thanks to the sealed pod system. Do you own a Henry Quick or Dyson V8? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for another comparison between Henry and Dyson canister vacuums, watch this video next.